back to another video. Today is October 1st, 2020. Haven't posted any videos or uploaded any in a good while. Today's a little bit of a different video. I'm in the shop right now. Today we're going to be making a DIY boot scraper. I'm going to be welding it together. I have some the parts already cut apart and ready to go. So I'll get right into that. Hope you guys enjoy. So yeah, enjoy. Base, we'll be using a disc blade for the actual part that you scrape your boot on. Is about a foot long piece of 1/4 inch metal. For the supports leading up to the boot part, we're using 2 railroad ties. Some of the tools needed for this is a grinder slash wire brush. An absolute need is a welder. This is a very old welder. It's a Forney stick welder, arc stick welder. So that's what we're going to be using today. It's old, but it does get the job done. If you're using the welder, is a auto dimming welding helmet. For some PPE or personal protective equipment, I have some of these very thick welding gloves that I'm going to be wearing, and safety glasses for sparks and stuff. Another tool that you could use that's probably going to be needed for welding is a slag hammer to knock off slag when you're done welding. For my electrodes, I'm using E6013s. Alright, so that pretty much wraps it up for like tools and stuff. So tools and protective equipment. So basically, we're gonna get right into it. So I'm gonna put my helmet on, and I'm gonna show you guys how the structure of the boot scraper is gonna look like and how I'm gonna build it. Alright, so basically what I'm gonna be doing here is I'm gonna be putting the railroad ties. As you can see, they are kind of angled, as they would be to put them into the railroad. I'm going to be angling them like this, so it's a flat surface on the bottom here, and the same on each side. And then across that, I will be putting, imagine this railroad tie is still here, I will be putting, probably this way, I will be putting this over top like this, and welding that on there to scrape a boot off onto. And the cost of this is basically just what I have in the electric from the welder and the different tools I'm using, because I have gotten all of this from I got the disc blade from the scrap iron pile we have, and down there is where I got the railroad ties and the boot scraper part. As you can tell, I've wire brushed this to get all the rust and most of the rust for the most part off of it, so that's good. And I wire brushed the railroad ties, so those are good to go. I did not wire brush the actual boot scraper part because, I don't know, I just didn't get around to that. So we're going to get into the welding part. Stay tuned. Okay, I just finished welding the railroad ties on. They look pretty good. One's a little angled off a little bit, but for not doing any measurements or anything and only taking a few minutes of time, it really didn't turn out that bad. I still have 2 more welds to do, so I'll show you guys this first. Angle difference off. They're not too bad though for not measuring very precisely. So I'm really happy with the way it's turned out so far. So yeah, let's finish up. Okay, first weld's done. Looks like it's on there pretty good. Turn it around and hit this other weld. So some of you guys might not know what slag is. This is slag hammer. So basically, take a look at where we welded there right now. It's like a smooth silver. Hit it. And That's not a very good example, but it kind of makes it look better. Let's chip it off. Instead of looking smooth like it does, it should look like that, with the waves kind of to it. So here we go. Here's our boot scraper that took about 15 minutes to make. Probably was about 25 minutes preparing the metal, and this would be solid for scraping, a good thing for scraping boots or shoes to get mud off so you don't track them inside the barn or inside the house. Obviously it's hundreds of degrees right now, it'd burn me really bad, so I'm not going to touch it for a couple minutes unless I wear my gloves. But so yep, so basically that's pretty much it. So if you guys like this video, chuck a like down below. Make sure to subscribe if you're new to the channel. Comment what you want to see next. Any welding ideas, let me know. So yep, that pretty much wraps up the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.